Hello guys, it's Sonic the Hedgehog and
Monsters Brawler. Today we're gonna be watching Per the Alejandro Sonic Animation Sonic 2. And Knuckles told us this was a long animation, so Sonic made popcorn.
well, if it's long, gotta have popcorn. It's really good.
And that's how I learned how to do the spin dash, Sonic.
Well, impressive. Of course, Dr. Eggman with his evil steeds.
Oh! And that guy from Sonic Adventures of Sonic the Hedgehog. What's his name called? Coco? Bananas? Monkey? I don't know.
Got him. You can't hit us.
And I did the swirl attack.
Which is actually really good.
Yeah, it means Sonic made popcorn turbo for us.
Knuckles said it was long.
And I have juice.
I'm not an 8-year-old. I don't drink juice.
It's really offensive since I am an 8-year-old Sonic.
Well, get used to it, Tails.
Oh, this is really good.
This popcorn's really good. Oh, I remember this. I remember this.
No, I feel like I'm just getting hit non-stop now.
You're kinda dead weight, Tails, so...
No, it wasn't. I was processing what you were trying to say, but I am not dead weight. I used to be, but now I'm just cool.
Yeah, ever since Sonic Heroes, Sonic Forces, you're scared of water.
That was chaos.
Wait, was that the real chaos? Was that real? Yeah, I don't think that was from the Phantom Ruby. I think that was the real chaos.
Yeah, I think too, Sonic.
Yo, hate the stage at Casino Nights. You literally can't go fast on the stage. I'm all about going fast, not slow.
Really good.
Yeah, we get it. We get it, Tails. You want juice.
This is good, Sonic.
Yeah, keep on saying this to yourself. Yep. Yeah, the special stage gets harder as they start planting bombs everywhere. And just like the Sonic Generations 3DS, there's like a special stage. It's like the Sonic Hero special stages, but it's not as frustrating, and also yeah, well, as it gets harder, it gets bombs. Bombs shall solve everything. Beat him like again. You're so bad. You're so bad, Eggman. That I can't find a roast. I'm so this popcorn is so good. So you have been really quiet. Talk.
Okay, Sonic. I didn't know you're my mom.
Wow. Just raise your mom like that.
Oh, I did a special stage all by myself, Sonic. You should be proud.
I am, buddy. So do a little thumbs up. Because I'm really proud of you, little buddy.
Thanks, Sonic. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Popcorn kernel's getting stuck in my mouth. Well, there's some bombs, and we did it. I forgot to mention something. Please subscribe to Pedro Alejandro. I hope I'm saying that right.
Don't worry, Charles. I'm worse at names.
Yeah, but please subscribe to him. This animation's amazing. Actually, I can't even make this. I know how to draw really good, but I can't make this. I'm used to drawing on paper, not on like animation thing.
Yo, it's the Master Emerald. Guys are probably so disturbed from that burp.
Yeah, I had to move away.
Yeah. When I'm burping, no one wants to be there.
You're probably wondering where are we eating? Sonic's Extra, and also, we ate at 11 o'clock. We just ate chili dogs, and that's it.
Yeah, true story. We literally ate at 11. I don't know what time is it right now. I don't have my phone with me. Yes, I have a phone. And also, yeah, I don't have a phone with me. So guys, I honestly hate this zone. Wait, this is the zone I literally rage on because, no, I just call it, I call it the Squidward zone.
Yeah, Sonic really hated that zone.
I did.
Drinking my apple juice like a boss.
Apple juice are for babies.
Shut up, Sonic.
I will not shut up. Oh, I looked traumatized for a second. I was like, oh gosh, that's gonna kill me.
And I'm getting hurt, of course.
Told you used to be dead weight.
Shut up, Sonic!
Okay, I didn't know you would actually get offended.
I would, Sonic.
Now you're acting like Amy.
It's kind of rude, Sonic. Oh, you're so good. I'm not Amy. Amy's stupid.
Imagine Amy sees this video. She's gonna kill you with your hammer. Or her hammer, not English. Well, we went supersonic. You guys saw. If you guys did not, the power I hold is supersonic.
Oh, it's logo. And you shut up on Sonic too.
Got him. Fake. Got him. Tails loves this music.
What was that? I love this song so much. Sonic, remember when I first saw you jump off the plane? I was like, are you a madman?
I do. I gotta do. No, turtles, just a chicken and a turtle fell. Oh gosh. How are they gonna survive?
No, Sonic. They can just survive. It's Sonic. No, game. Never mind. It's not some theory. Okay.
Up to the final stretch. Chill. I got so mad when I saw you fall. That Dr. Robotnik, he's gonna pay. I'm gonna get him. Super Sonic! Ah! Oh gosh, I actually screamed. Bro, you hear my scream? Wow. I haven't screamed that loud before.
Sonic, you're capping. I heard you. Oh gosh, I heard you scream louder than that, Sonic.
Well, you're stupid.
You're dumb.
You're stupid.
You're dumb.
You're stupid.
You're dumb. Okay, this sounds like a kindergarten fight now.
Honestly, it does.
It does, Sonic. So let's just stop because we're not kindergarteners.
You are a first grader.
I'm going to school for the last time. I'm 8. I am 8. That doesn't mean I have to go to school. I literally act like a 28-year-old. So shut up, Sonic.
And you have a beard, right? No, I mean a mustache.
No, I don't. It's just hair on my face.
Yeah, sure.
Remember in the last video, I was like, it's me! Oh my gosh, it's me! You guys said we're not loud enough. Well, we just broke the loud barrier. We broke the sound barrier.
I did once. Oh gosh, that bot was so annoying. I couldn't beat him. He's so annoying.
Calm down, Sonic. I haven't seen you this wound up since I think called Sonic Force is the final boss.
That final boss was hard. Just shut up. You couldn't even beat it either.
It was, bro. Like, ah! Just making me think about it. It's so annoying.
Ah! Fighting him back. They're going down. Bro, Eggman's the fastest egg alive. See how fast he was when I was trying to chase him? This guy's literally the fastest egg, faster than Flash, faster than Sonic. Not actually, but the fastest egg alive, aka Dr. Eggman. The fastest egg alive. I really like that name.
Me too. You should make a movie about the fastest egg alive.
Yeah. Boom. I just heard I hate that. It's all good. I'm trying to do my Dr. Eggman voice. Yeah, please subscribe to him. This video was really good. You can tell they're still eating popcorn.
Yeah. Yummy. Delicious popcorn. So, if you like this video, please subscribe. And subscribe to Alejandro. This video is really long, but really good. I bet he put in so much effort for this.
So, bye, guys.
Bye, everyone.